Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a jewelry box for my mom.
Perfect. So we need a box. Any old box will do, and preferably something with a cover.
Next, we need toilet rolls, and we're going to cut them in half.
Perfect. Okay. So cut them in half, but we... Perfect.
What is this for even?
You'll see. Need to make them into smaller rolls. Half the size, okay?
Now we finished creating the rolls.
Okay. Measure them in. Make sure that they all fit into the box. And you don't need more. Can you put them in, please? Okay, so one by one, Sissy. Okay, so they're perfect. And we've made this piece, thank you, to go right here. Now we're going to cover them with this red cloth, stick-on cloth.
This looks beautiful, Mommy.
So that we have enough to cover each one. Now roll it. Just make sure it's tight.
And then, if you have some sides that are like
just
up,
push them in.
you just push them inside.
We've finished covering these with the red cloth. Use the remaining cloth to cover up this section, which is not going to be covered by the rolls. Now we've finished covering the base, and do you know what we're going to do? Stick these rolls on the base. The important thing, no, leave this to the end. Okay. The very important thing is to put a lot of glue. You can use this type of glue, or if you have an adult to help you, you can use a hot glue gun, but use a liquid glue. Do not use dry glue. Don't use glue sticks. Okay, make sure you put enough glue.
They come off easily.
Always look at where the line of the cloth is, and you want to put it on the bottom so it doesn't show later on. Okay, some of the strips that you still have left, and you just sort of cover these parts up. We're going to decorate the outer side of the box.
Yay!
Yeah, but we're also going to cover this side here. Okay.
That should be enough.
So this part that we measured out goes in here.
It goes right in there.
Let's just make sure we don't have any bubbles.
Bubbles.
Stick it on. Oops. Again, you can use paper or cloth. Please, enough.
I'll help you fold it. We let this dry for a day. We finished covering the box inside and outside.
I'm going to cover the sides with a black ribbon. So we're going to make it, we're going to create like a trim. Okay, so we take a piece of ribbon and then we just stick it on the side. Now we're going to put trim here. Finished covering the box with this black ribbon, and it just gives it a very nice finished feel and covers all the cut up paper. And now we've drawn a little tiny heart on the cover, and Celine is going to
really cute.
Decorate it with some black gems.
Yeah. Look at this.
Look at that! Now that we've finished putting the gems on, Celine is going to paint the exterior of the box with Mod Podge.
This is the completed jewelry box, and as you see, I put my jewelries inside.